Yes, James or James.
Like my Uncle Charlie says, a goat's a goat and not a chicken.
Come on, do it.
But God loves us all.
Figures. Yeah.
I added that last part about God. Next question.
He's realizing that Great. Come on, do it. You heard the TV. Yeah. He's so damn cute. It's so cute.
He knows he's being watched.
He does. He usually stops when we watch it. Come on, buddy. Pick up your baby. Pick up your belly and wash your junk. My God. Oh my God. It's so frustrating because he's so close. Pick it up, Joe. Pick up that belly. Pick it up. There you go. You reach now. Gotta pick up that belly off the floor. Pick your belly up off the floor, Crumb. You little sumo wrestler. Look, there he goes. There he goes. Look. He did it. Crumbly, lift your belly off the floor, honey. Can't reach. There you go. Almost. That is so funny. There you go. You get it. Come on, reach. Oh, Bubby, get it. Reach. Pull your belly up. There you go. Oh, good job. Pull your belly up. You can get it. Look at your naughties. Trying to reach his naughties and he just can't reach. Go, Crumb. Go. He reached. Look, you got it. Yay, Crumby. Come on, lift that belly up. It's still sitting on the floor. Come on, lift your belly up. You're going to get the naughties. Little kitty yoga.